In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load your site project template inside the Wix editor and find the hidden structural object connected to your mobile menu box layer. To begin, open Google Chrome and make sure you're using it for this process, since the Wix editor tends to work most smoothly there. Once Chrome is open, go to the Wix editor and load your site project template. Give it a moment to fully open so all of the editor elements, menus, and panels appear correctly. If the page is still loading, it's best to wait until everything is stable before moving on, because that helps avoid selecting the wrong item or missing a panel that hasn't appeared yet. Once your project template is open inside the Wix editor, direct your attention to the top area of the workspace. You're looking for the header button labeled Switch to Mobile. Go ahead and use that button to toggle your workspace layout into the mobile view. This is an important part of the process, because the object you're trying to locate is tied to the mobile version of the site. If you remain in the desktop layout, the layer structure may look different, and the item you need can be harder to identify. After you've switched to the mobile workspace, move over to the left-hand side of the editor. Along the menu track, select the Layers panel. This panel gives you a structural view of the elements that make up the current page, which is especially useful when something is hidden or difficult to click directly on the canvas. Instead of trying to visually hunt for the object in the design area, the Layers panel lets you inspect the site structure in a much more precise way. With the Layers panel open, start locating the hidden structural object that references your mobile menu box layer. Take your time here, and look carefully through the nested items if needed. Hidden objects are often not immediately obvious in the design view, so the layer list is the best place to identify them. You're specifically looking for the structural object associated with the mobile menu box, not just a visible design element. If the list appears crowded, moving slowly and